for joining me right now. Yes, I had to come out here in the storm to see my umbrella, and I'm also representing the little Barbie thing that's been going on. But Chicago is very afraid. You know why we're afraid? Because it is flooded, and it has flooded so bad that cars have looked like up under the water. Which is like now look what we just did. We just came over here to show you all in action up under the bridge. Come on in. South side of Chicago. Very full on the south side of Chicago. Here's more pictures. This right here has us scared. All I want you all to know is that Chicago is strong and we're gonna get through it. All right, y'all. We're about to go and get up out of here because they did put another warning out for 6 o'clock and it's almost 6 o'clock now. So we're about to get ready to get out of here. All right, y'all. Cut, let's get out of here. All right, y'all, come on, let's get ready to get out of here for y'all hear that noise.